So, ang tawag dito, ang gagawin ko ngayon is my accent. Ano ba to? Pinoy accent tag yata. Basta ganun, Pinoy accent tag. I have here 30 words. Tapos, I'm not sure if you can see the words. I'll try to read it and then tingnan natin kung tama o mali. Okay. Sige. 30. Okay, go. Game. Nakakahiya kasi. Baka mali. Okay, number 1. Caviar. Foie gras. Vinaigrette. Continuous. Envelope. Tourniquet. Kasi may kanta na, diba? Yung Evanescence, may kanta nito. Anyway, yun. Coup d'etat. Ano pala spelling nun? Creme brulee. I like that. Alam ko yan. Kasi favorite dessert ko yan. Tapos, eau de toilette or eau de toilette. Whatever. Pabango. Rapport. Coupe. Yung sasakyan. Coupe ba? Pero narinig ko kasi before coupe yata yun. Tapos, guitarist. Yan. Tinama ako ng teacher ko dyan. Kasi, ang ko nun is guitarist. Pero sabi nga, ang root word daw is guitar. So, guitarist. Ang tamang pronunciation. Aegis. Bakit may banda ng Aegis dito? Anyway. Cash. Yung, C-A-C-H-E. Cash. Ang alam kong pronunciation. May iba, cache. Pero alam ko, cash. Silent E. Forte. Yun ba yun? Palami. Heinous crime. Yung iba, heinous. Pero alam ko nga ang pronunciation is heinous crime. Arkansas. Hindi Arkansas. This is, I think, the state, one of the states in the US. Arkansas. And then we have Illinois. Chicago, Illinois. Parang gano'n. Tapos, niche. Ito, niche. I'll write down the words. Niche. Okay. And then, sherbet. Oh, sherbet. Yeah. Parang ice cream na gawa sa yelo. Di ba yun yun? Okay. Cleanliness. Kasi may naririnig ako cleanliness. Pero it's cleanliness. Audacious. Haha! Kadiri, nakakahiya. Audacious or audacious. Whatever. Viscount. Ay, mali! Viscount. Oo, tama. Viscount. Okay. Bow. Mortgage. Silent T. Connecticut. Hindi Connecticut. Okay. Connecticut. Cocoa. Hindi cocoa. Menu. Pagka nag-order sa restaurant. Tinama rin ako before nun eh. Kinorek yung pronunciation ko. It's not menu. Party pa yun. Menu. It's menu. And then, last two words, jeopardy and cupboard. Yun. Hindi ko lang po ilan. Feel free to correct me kung may mga mali akong pronunciation. And, of course, syempre, tatamain natin pag mali, di ba? Anyway, I'm gonna be listing down all the words that I used in this video, and I am challenging you to pronounce it correctly as well. So that's it. This is a very fast video. Nakikiuso lang. And I hope you guys like it. Bye! Oh! By the way, yung giveaway video ko, this is also sort of an update. You don't have to invite anyone to like and subscribe to my channel. In order for you to win the 3 prizes that I mentioned in my giveaway video, all you have to do is to subscribe, like, and then comment, enter me. And then, since bago yung mechanics, I'll be extending the deadline. Instead na October 1 siya, I'm gonna be announcing the winner October 15. So, good luck sa inyo. Sana makuha nyo na. Dadagdagan ko yung mga prices kung sakasakaling dumating yung mga orders ko. Or, probably I'll just make another video. Mabala na. Sige, I'll update you. Bye!